Hi, it's Amber here. Imagine a small ad production team. They've got big ideas, storyboards, and scripts, but never enough time. Filming costs are high, multi-language translations are a headache. The creativity is there, but deadlines always slip. Now, what if you had a tool that worked like your own social team? An all-in-one content creation platform, full-time AI production crew, helping you create more content in less time. Today, I'll show you how creative teams and marketers can use JoggAI to dramatically boost efficiency. Step 1. Start by creating your own AI avatar, your brand ambassador, or social media persona. This avatar can show up across all your videos, giving your content a consistent, recognizable face. Got a photo you'd like to bring to life? With Talking Photo, any still image can instantly talk. Perfect for quick social media content.
Understanding this will make you better at connecting with people instantly.
Want more impact? Add special effects to your avatar videos, making your characters more expressive and visually engaging. These avatars can then be dropped straight into ads or short films as main characters. Only have product photos or scene shots? No problem. Image to video animates them, creating dynamic video clips. You can use as base footage or B-roll. Got a script but no footage? Just type it in and JoggAI generates the video for you, ideal for B-roll or filler shots. Going global but don't have translators? Upload your video and JoggAI auto-generates subtitles and multilingual voiceovers with lip sync so natural it feels seamless. Your content is instantly ready for worldwide audiences. Want multiple creative versions fast? With Face Swap, replace actors' or characters' faces in seconds. Perfect for A/B testing or just adding fun twists. Need to organize your footage? Video to text converts speech into editable text, subtitles, notes, or scripts, saving hours of manual transcription. Need longer videos without reshooting? Video Extender naturally extends your footage, keeping the style and flow consistent. Perfect for courses or long-form social content. And finally, the big one. Need a professional-grade ad or branded video? AI Ad Maker produces studio-quality photo shoots and video shoots, so you can create polished commercial content without hiring a full production team. From avatar creation, to content generation, to translation, face swapping, video extension, and even professional ad production, JoggAI is your all-in-one AI content team. And if you're a studio or creative team, JoggAI also offers a team plan so everyone can share the same account, collaborate on projects, and keep brand style consistent. Multiple creators can work simultaneously, delivering videos faster than ever. Save time and costs while collaborating seamlessly, explore endless video ideas, and reach global audiences with auto-translation, all without actors or expensive equipment. Whether you're a solo creator or a production team, JoggAI is your 24/7 AI content crew. Click the link below and start creating today. Turn your ideas into videos faster than ever. I am Amber. I'll see you in the next video.